My dear students, I am Pradeep Kumar, mathematics teacher. We are continuing solving previous year's important question paper. I will do 15 videos for 12th class mathematics students, and I will do formula videos also. If you attend all these videos sincerely and practice, you can easily score 70 to 80% marks in the coming examination. If you attend formula videos daily, all formulas will be recorded on your brain computer automatically. So you can easily solve all the tough questions. See, the question is solve x into x minus y into dy plus y square dx that is equal to 0. That is the question. We must solve this question. See, this is equal to x into x minus y dy plus y square dx equal to 0. Therefore, x into x minus y into dy that is equal to minus y square dx. Bring y square dx to the right hand side. So, dy by dx equal dy by dx that is equal to minus y square divided by x into x minus y. Bring dx to the left hand side and x into x minus y to the right hand side. So this is equal to dy by dx that is equal minus y square divided by x into x square minus x into y xy. Clear? Then put y equal to vx. Put y equal to vx. Put y equal to vx. Therefore, we must differentiate y with respect to x. That is dy by dx. That is equal to d by ds of vx. We must apply the product rule of differentiation. We know product rule of differentiation. That is d by ds of uv. That is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx, where u and v are functions of x. Here in this case dy by dx, in this case dy by ds, dy by dx, dy by dx equal u into dv by dx. That is, we can take v is u. So v into, that is v into d by ds of x. D by ds of x is 1. V into 1 plus v into du by dx. That is, here v is x. That is x into dv by dx. Clear? So dv by dx equal to v into 1 plus x into dv by dx. This is equal to v into 1 v. V plus x dv by dx. That is equal to dy by dx. That is equal to dy by dx. So dy by dx equal v plus x into dv by dx. Therefore, we can substitute the value of dy by dx in the above equation. That is dy by dx equal, that is v plus x into dv by dx, that is equal to, that is dy by dx equal v plus x dv by dx, that is equal to minus y square divided by x square minus xy. We know y equal to vx. So this is equal to minus y square that is y equal to vx. So this is equal to minus v square x square divided by x square minus vx square. X square because y is equal to vx. Therefore, this is equal to v plus x dv by dx equal minus v square x square divided by, take x square outside from the denominator. So this is equal to x square into 1 minus v. Clear? So v plus x dv by dx equal minus v square x square divided by x square into 1 minus v. Then we can cancel that x square. We can cancel x square. So this is equal to v plus x dv by dx equal minus v square divided by 1 minus v. Clear? Then bring v to the right hand side. So this is equal to x dv by dx, that is equal to minus v square divided by 1 minus v minus v. That is x dv by dx equal minus v square divided by 1 minus v minus v. That is equal to x dv by dx equal minus v square minus v into 1 minus v whole divided by 1 minus v. That is equal to minus v square minus v into 1, that is minus v into minus v, that is plus v square whole divided by 1 minus v. That is equal to minus v square plus v square cancel. Minus v square plus v square cancel. So this is equal to minus v divided by 1 minus v. That is x dv by dx, that is equal to minus v divided by 1 minus v. Bring all the right hand side to the left hand side. So this will be equal to 1 minus v divided by v into dv equal, bring x by dx to the right hand side. So this will be equal to minus dx divided by x. Then this is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by v minus 1 dv equal minus 1 by x dx. Minus dx means minus 1 into dx divided by x. Then integrate both sides. We must integrate both sides. That is equal to integral 1 by v minus 1 into dv equal minus integral 1 by x dx. We know integral 1 by v dv is equal to log v. That is equal to log v minus integral 1 dv is equal to v equal minus integral 1 by x dx. Integral 1 by x dx equal to log x. Therefore, this is equal to minus log x. Minus log x. We know v is equal to yx. That is y is equal to vx. That we know. Y is equal to vx. Therefore, v is equal to y by x. We know y is equal to vx. Therefore, v is equal to y by x. Substitute this value of v in the above equation. That is log v minus v is equal to minus log x. So, this is equal to log v is y by x minus v. V is also y by x equal minus log x. Clear? If you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. This is one of the best question. So, this is equal to log y by x, bring minus log x to the left hand side. So, this is equal to plus log x and bring minus y by x to the right hand side. So, it will be plus y by x. That is equal to, we know log a plus log b, that is equal to log a into b. Log a plus log b, that is equal to log a into b. So, this is log y by x plus log x equal log y by x into x. Log y by x into x. This x and this x will cancel. This is equal to y by x. Therefore, y by x equal log y plus c. Hence the answer. Clear? If you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. Then we will continue the previous year's question paper and we will discuss and solve important questions. If you attend all my videos, I will complete 15 videos for 12th class mathematics students. If you sincerely attend and practice all these videos and attend all my formula videos daily, you can easily get 70 to 80% marks in the coming examination. Wish you all the best. Thank you.